While I was in art school, I became very interested in iconic images. I was drawn to pictures that stood out.
Found myself drawn to photography for reasons that I can only partially explain.
Photography is magical. I've seen it work magic in so many different places.
Taking great pictures is a means to an end. You know, the end is really just observing beauty and the complexity of beauty and the richness of beauty.
A photo can be powerful when it has a clear, concise, and needed message.
Everybody's going to take the same picture very differently. We're all capable of being original, which is beautiful.